the candy.
Okay, then I'm going to, yes, put the candy inside it.
The rainbow candy.
Yes.
And get the medicine.
Cough medicine.
Pencil.
Make sure it is histolin. Oh, finally.
Now go put the cough medicine in.
Oh, guys, it's pink and
Then we gonna mix it up. You got the spoon.
ugh. Okay, and we're back.
To our channel.
Okay, and guys, can you see how it looks?
It looks awful.
It looks
Awful.
so nasty. It won't look like tea.
It looks like blood.
It looks like tea.
It looks like blood from your hole.
It looks like tea. Okay, guys, can you see? Okay.
You gotta do the juice cough medicine challenge.
Ugh. Look, I think I'm gonna drink.
Can you take it? How do I say?